Hello children, welcome to online class.
When the length of the object is more for our convenience, we use a longer scale. This long scale is called meter scale. Meter scale will be 100 centimeter long. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. You would have seen a meter scale in a cloth shop. It is used to measure cloths.
Put a right mark for suitable scale to measure the length of objects given below.
Length of a pen. We measure in centimeters. Length of classroom.
We measure meter scale.
Length of the cricket bat. We measure in centimeter scale. Length of the playground. We measure in meter scale. Height of a door. We measure in meter scale. Length of a book. We measure in centimeter scale. Length of a saree. We measure in meter scale. Length of an eraser. We measure in centimeter scale. Length of a pencil. We measure in centimeter scale. Let us measure the length of the objects given in our textbook using meter scale. Length of the blackboard in the class. 152 centimeter. Length of the table in the class. 121 centimeter. Length of the bench in the class. 182 centimeter.
Width of the classroom door is 73 centimeter.
Let us solve the exercise 10.2. First main, in the picture, measure each colored strip using a suitable scale and answer the following questions. First of all, we have to keep 0 mark of the scale to one end of the side and measure the value on the scale at its end point. Then we have to record it. So, first one strip, white. Let us measure white strip. Length of white strip is 2.2 centimeter. Now we measure blue color strip. Length of blue color strip is 8 centimeter. Now we measure green color strip. Length of green color strip is 4 centimeter. Now we measure saffron color strip. So length of saffron color strip is 6.2 centimeter. Now we measure red color strip. So the length of red color strip is 5.2 centimeter. and the last yellow color strip. Length of yellow strip is 5.1 centimeter. Now let us fill in the blanks given in page 76. The color strips which are less in length than red strip are: the length of red strip is 5.2 centimeter. Here white strip is 2.2 centimeter. Green strip is 4 centimeter and yellow strip is 5.1 centimeter, which all are less in length when compared to red strip. So now the answer is white, green and yellow. Among all these colored strips, the longest color strip is blue, which is 8 cm in length. Similarly, the shortest colored strip is white colored one and its length is 2.2 cm. The next one is to find the total length of blue and yellow strips. The length of blue strip is 8 cm. The length of yellow strip is 5.1 cm. The total length of blue and yellow strips is 8 cm plus 5.1 cm is equal to 13.1 cm. The length of green strip is equal to 4 cm. The length of blue strip is 8 cm. If we want to increase the length of green strip to that of blue strip, what we have to do? Yes, we have to add 4 cm to green strip to become 8 cm. Next we have find the difference in length of white and yellow strips. Difference means we have to subtract. The length of white strip is 2.2 cm. The length of yellow strip is 5.1 cm. The difference in this length is 5.1 minus 2.2 is
2.9 centimeter.
We can see the picture of a swastika. Let us measure the length of its side. We have to keep the following points in our mind before measuring. First one, we have to keep 0 mark of the scale to one end of the side and measure the value of the scale at its end point. Then we have to record it. First, let us measure a side of swastika. Keep 0 marking on the scale to one end and we can see the side ends at 3 cm. So the length of side A is 3 cm. Similarly, we can see that the length of B side is 4 cm. The length of C side is 4 cm. The length of D is 9.6 cm. The length of E is 4 cm. The length of F is 4 cm. The length of G is 4 cm.
There are many objects given in page 78. Let us first estimate the length. Estimation is the approximate measurement based on our eye judgment. Let us record it first. Now let us use a scale and measure the exact length. Estimated length of pencil 2 centimeter. Now measure the pencil using scale. .9 centimeter. Exact length is 1.9 centimeter. Then second one, bulb. Estimation length 3 centimeter. Exact length of a bulb is, measure it children using scale, 2.8 centimeter. Third picture, there is a stick. Estimated length of a stick is 5 centimeter. Exact length of a stick is, measure it and say children using the scale you can measure it. Starting point should be in 0 and end point. Then measure it 4.6 centimeter. Next picture is Christmas tree. Here we must measure the height of the tree. Estimate height is 5 centimeter. Let us measure exact height of a tree. Measure it and say children, 0 to 4.7 centimeter. The height of the tree is 4.7 centimeter. Then next picture is bat. Estimate length of a bat is maybe 5 centimeter. The exact length you must measure and say the exact length. The exact length of a bat is 4.9 centimeter. Next one is, there is a bulb. You can write the estimate length as 4 centimeter. Now using the scale you must measure it. Measure it and say children, the exact length of a bulb is 3.8 centimeter. Compare it children. Estimate the height of 5 of your friends. Then measure and check the accuracy of estimate measurement. You write the name of 5 students of your friends and estimate their height and write the actual measurement. Let us solve 10.3. There are 5 lines given in the exercise 10.3. Let us measure and check the length using scale. First one, there is a one line. Estimate length is 2.5 centimeter. Actual length 2.7 centimeter. By using the scale, you can measure it and write them. 2.7 centimeter. The second one line. The estimate length 5 centimeter. Second one, estimated length 5 centimeter. The actual length, measure it children using scale, 4.2 centimeter. Third one, the estimated length 10 centimeter. By using scale, measure it children. Starting point should be 0. From 0 to, it is 11 centimeter. Write down 11 centimeter. The estimated Length of fourth question is 6 centimeter. The actual length, find out children, 0 to 5.7 centimeter. The actual size of fourth line is 5.7 centimeter. Fifth one, last line, the estimated length is 8 centimeter. By using scale, you check the length of the line. The actual size is 7.9 centimeter. Complete it children in your textbook. Let us estimate the length of the object in your house and check whether it is correct or not. Estimate the length of a door, window, broom in your home, and you first write the estimate length and check whether it is right or wrong.
Thank you, children.